All right, so all we got to do is start with our base, which is all put together already. You need this plate here that goes on because that keeps the legs from folding back up. It lines up, and then you've got 3 wing nuts to hold that plate on there. And then you would come in with your anchors. Anchor that down. Of course, you want to make sure you got it where you want it. There we go. And then our poles, let's go on there like so. Okay, there's our 7-foot. And then your lights, what they have here are springs with clips. All around your feet you have holes. So you're going to clip every spring to the feet. It's nice that they gave you 2 separate tied sections. So it's not one big mess. Goes on top. Give it a little snug push. We've got our manual controls here. And then we've got our extension cable for our power. So it's pretty simple installation process. Everything's kind of already together. It's nice to have the little springs here on the bottom. That gives it the flexibility. You just work your way around. You've got your manual control here. You got your powered star at the top. You do have control right here. And then of course you've got the app, which is just fantastic. We'll turn it on here at night and we'll show you how it works and how it looks. We'll turn it